Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully designed our admin profile page, and now in this video I want to solve one of the simple issue that I have already covered in my fundamental series. Like here, when you select any images, that is the images I want to do and to visible it in here. So we can do this work with using the JavaScript. Now let's do that work. For doing this, there is our two of this div. One is the input field, another is the image, right? So into the input field area, I want to add one of the ID, and I just put that ID name as an image. I name it as an image. And also in our another position where exactly I have displayed, here I want to also put another ID. I put that ID and I just name it as a show image. Okay, show image. Great. I take two of this ID. Now we have to add one of the script. So after last of and before our and section, I want to use one of the script. So that will be our script. Great. So into the script area, that will be very basic one of the JavaScript. I take our dollar. So okay, sorry, that will be the dollar, and dollar I want to take that first of all one of the documents. So that will be as a documents. That will be as a document, and document will be as a ready one of the function. So that will be as a document ready function. So that will be as a document ready function. I simply loaded that function. Great. So into the function area, first of all, you have to get that our ID. That means from where exactly you get you uploaded all that our images. So I want to get these things. So if you want to get it, we have to get it by the ID. So that means that will be as a hash, and I just name it as an image, right? Here I put two of this ID. One is the images. One of the image from here will add. That means we will select some of the images, and here I want to visible it by the another ID name as a show image. Okay. Now let's do that work. That is our image. I simply take, and here that will be one of the event as a change. So that will be the change, and I want to simply call another function, and here I want to pass one of the event. So that is our change event. Okay, here I simply pass it. Great. And then I want to add one of the variable that will be a var, and I just name it as a reader, and I want to create another new object of this file reader. So that is another default function as a file reader. I name that as a file reader. So I simply created another new object. I take the things with one of the variable as a reader, and now I want to use it as a reader, and with this reader I want to load another function as an onload function. That will be the onload will be as a function, and function area I want to pass our event that I have already take it, whatever the images you'll be selected. So that will be our event. Okay, I simply select it. Now where exactly you want to visible, you have to add it. So now I want to visible it in our ID name. I name it as a hash. So that means here if you want to access that ID, we have to access it as a hash, and then our ID. Here I want to visible it, that is a show image. Now I want to use that as a show image. Okay, show image, and after that will be our attribute will be needed. So which type of attribute? So that is our attribute, and attribute will be our as a src attribute, right? You can see there's a src attribute. I want to take it, so that will be as a src. So that is a src attribute, and here I want to pass that our event, that is e, and then we have to pass that our target and result. Yeah, that will be the target result. Great, and then I want to visible it. So that will be the reader. By this reader, that is also another function as a read as data URL. Okay, that is read as data URL, and here I want to pass that our e target and then files. So that will be the e target files. First index data I want to display. First index means as a 0. Okay, so I simply loaded that things in here. That's all. Okay, that is just pretty much simple one of the JavaScript. Before I have already discussed about that things with you. And also if you want to visible it, we have to load that our jQuery. But I want to take some of the jQuery CDN. If you go our Google, and from here I want to get that as the jQuery CDN. Now click as enter. Now from to the W3 I want to take it. But I want to open it, and from here I want to take that script. Okay, I copy it, and now I want to add it in our admin profile page. Now here I want to add it. So friend, that's all. Now if you click as a save all, if everything okay, that should be work. Now I want to refresh it. Now I want to select one of the image. I select this one. You can see it's now successfully display, right? It's now successfully display. Great. So friend, here we successfully done our all the job. Now we are ready to update this. That means that is our admin profile information. Right now our value is visible for the username, name, email address, phone. Right now I don't have any phone, for the reasons is displayed nothing. And also our images, whatever the images will be selected, that will be displayed. Rather than that will be display our no image. Great. So in our next video, I want to update this information for the admin. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.